Hi everyone, my name is Adeola Ayanwale. I am the owner of A&A Financial Services and also a member of GABA Houston, Texas, which is Global African Business Association, where we share knowledge-based, support one another in business, and also teach our community how to partners and build business together. As we all know, this week is a GABA week, and we have various speakers that is already lined up to talk to you about various opportunities and various things to benefit you as a small business owner and also as individual as large. So make sure you stay tuned tomorrow. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about funding, which is one of the major things that entrepreneur needs. All right, so I'll also be sharing a little presentation on that. All right, after this video, if you have any question or you still need to reach out to me or any members of GABA, I'll give you my number. My phone number is 832-275-7225. And also you can reach out to GABA Houston, Texas. Our Vice President is Uche. On any question, and she will be able to assist you. All right, so stay tuned and enjoy the presentation for today. It's going to be on different type of funding. All right, I'm going to share my screen and I'll be talking about funding. Thank you. Give me a minute. All right, so today we are talking about different types of startup funding. What is funding? Funding is an ability for you to be able to source for capital for your business, to be able to run your business successfully. And funding is very, very critical to the success of your business. So today I'll be talking about funding. The most important aspect of any business success is the ability of the business to source for funding, to be able to run the business with efficient cash flow without struggling with overhead costs, operation, and to be able to sustain daily business expenses. This is very important as a small business owner. Having enough cash flow to run your business is very, very, very crucial. Without enough cash flow, your business can fail. So today, that's why we're going to be talking about how to source for funding. Sourcing for funding to run your business is very, very crucial to the overall success of your business. All right? Most business owners and entrepreneurs struggle with sourcing for funding. Why are they struggling for funding? One of the major reasons why small business struggle for funding is because they don't know where to get funding. So today I'm going to be sharing a few places where you can source for funding. All right, so now, most common types of funding. Number one is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a process of raising capital through the collaborations of friends, family members, clients, and investors. This method utilizes the collective effort of a different pool of individuals through various online platforms. Example of crowdfunding will be GoFundMe. GoFundMe is a platform for different people to come together and raise funds for a common purpose. As an entrepreneur in small business, you can utilize GoFund to search for capitals towards your business. An example of crowdfund is crowd raising. You go to this platform, you register your business, you state your intention, why you need people to support your business, and you set people tuning in and investors, and they come together to raise capital for you. All right, it is very simple. Just go to the website, register, and we're going to start raising capital. It is the most easiest way to raise capital for your business, okay? A lot of people have successfully raising funds through GoFundMe, all right? Depending on how effectively you know how to utilize this site. So we really encourage everyone that is listening to me or that is watching this video to take advantage of crowdfunding today, okay? There's various platforms that you can go to. One of it is Kickstart, iFund Women, Fundly, and etc. Okay, all right, so it is easy. Another major funding is loan. We all know about loan, but there are different types of loan, and I'm going to be talking about few major ones today. A small business loan is any type of loan that enable businesses with little to no business credit history to gain access to funds. It is one of the main funding options for entrepreneurs and business owners to run their operational costs. Loans are there for business owners to utilize it to run their business. It's very important. All right. Small business loan is an umbrella term under which many different types of loans operate. One of those loans is what we've all been hearing lately during this pandemic, and that is SBA loan. SBA loan is backed up by Federal Small Business Administration through lenders. So I'm going to go through a background information about SBA. SBA is founded in 1953. The SBA is a federal government program that provides support to small business owners in forms of mentorship, workshop, counseling, and small business owners. While loans are backed up by SBA, SBA does not provide this loan. It's usually from a lender that partners with SBA. Okay, so SBA is available to every small business owner. They're not only just offer loan, backup loan, they also offer mentorship, workshop, counseling on how to run businesses. So you can take advantage of SBA today. Go to your local SBA office and find out how they can be able to help you to build a strong, successful business. All right, but there are different types of SBA loan. You can see the list. One of it is SBA 7A, SBA Express, Cap Lines, Small Business Advantage, Community Advantage, 504 Small Businesses, Microloan Program, Export Working Capital. These loans are different types of loans offered by SBA to small businesses, to support small businesses. And the max of 7A is up to $5 million, okay? Up to 80% of these loans are approved within 5 days with little and medium documentation, all right? And the process is very simple. By you going through an approval lender through an SBA loan, they will walk you through the process. All right, and you can get up to $150,000. 80% of this one, they can approve you up to that amount. So today, I want to encourage you, check out SBA website and see how you can take advantage of this loan. And if you need help with it, you can reach out to me or any of our GABA Houston members, and we'll be able to tell you how to go about this loan. And my company specifically help to facilitate this loan, okay? We can help you put together your paperwork to make sure that you're approved for this loan. All right, if you have any question, please reach out to me as I have stated. All right, another way to source for funding is through angel investors. Angel investors are a group of high net worth individual who look to put relatively small amount of money into startup or small businesses. Usually the amounts range from thousands of dollars to $1 million. Angels are often one of the most accessible form of early stage capital for small businesses. The most important aspect of working with angel investors is that they usually make an investment decision on their own. They don't need to run it through a third parties, okay? Once they love your ideas, most likely an angel investors who wanted to put their fund into your business, they usually look for business they can support, that they can invest with little interest rate to be paid back to them. So check out angel investors in your local community, in your local state, and they are there to be able to help you. Another way to search for funding is through venture capital. This is going to be the last one that I'm going to talk about. Venture capital is funding that is invested in startups and small businesses that are usually high risk, but with high potential. What does this mean by high risk business? High risk business means business that they are ready to scale higher, going into factory production, going into product development. They're not even sure if the product is going to be successful or not, but they are ready for the product to go out to the market. They're producing it. Venture capital support this type of startups and small businesses. So if your idea is to invest a product or build a factory to develop some sort of project, venture capital will be a very, very good platform for you to reach out to them. And every state and city have a venture capitals. You understand that you can go in and pitch your ideas, okay? Venture capital is a great option for businesses that are looking to scale big and quickly because investments are usually large. And your business has to be prepared to take off and grow. They're usually run by a handful of partners who raise large amounts of money for small businesses, okay? And another way of funding is you looking into your personal saving credit card with a 0% for 12 months. This is a way that you can raise funding, all right? That is the end of my presentation. If you have any question, please reach out to me today. I hope I was able to enlighten you and able to share a very, very important information with you on how to search for funding. All right, once again, my name is Adeola Ayanwale, and I can be reached at 832-275-7225 for additional information.